see problem number 5. 1.1 upon root 17 is given. It is asked, it is a recurring will be it is a recurring non-terminating recurring decimal. So how many maximum number of digits repeated? Question you can copy from your textbook. Maximum number of digits repeated, that we have to find out by performing the long division. Okay, now let us start. So 17 divided by 1. Okay, so now here smaller, so we will be taking 0 point here, 0. If you take decimal, you can take 0 here. So one more 0 we will be taking because 10 is smaller than 17. Okay, now we can take 0. Okay, 17 5s are 85 minus. Okay, here we will be getting 5 1. As decimal is here, you can take 0 here. 17 8s are 136. Okay, then subtract. Here we will be getting 4 1 0. Again 17 8s are 136 minus. Okay, here you will be getting 4 0. 17 2s are 34. Okay, minus 6, then 0. Okay, then 17 3s are 51. 17 3s are 51 minus 9 0. 17 5s are 85. 17 5s are 85 minus 5 0. Okay, then 17 3s are 51. So 17 2s are we have to take 17 2s are 34 minus 6, and here we will be getting 0. Okay, now next is 160 is there. So 160 means you will be getting 17 9s are 153. 153 means here 7 will be getting 7 0. 17 4s are 68 minus 2 0. Okay, now 17 1s are 17. Okay, minus 3 0. Again 17 1s are here 17. Okay, if you subtract here, we will be getting 3 1. Okay, again decimal is there, we will be taking 130 here. Now 17 17 7s are is 119. 17 7s are 119. Again subtract here, just divisions we are doing, nothing. 1 1. Okay, then 0 will be taking. Then 17 110 1 17 6 are 17 6 are here 102. 17 6 are 102 minus here 8. Okay, 0. So now 17 4s are again here. Okay, 17 4s are is 68. Okay, 68 माइनस किए तो आपको 120. ओके, देन 17 7s are 119. देन 1 अगेन आपको लेने का, यहाँ 10 ले लो. 0 10 is smaller than 17, so we will be taking here 0. Like that same digits will be repeated after that. 0 5. Okay, here you will be getting 0. then you will be getting 0 here. So we will be taking here 17 5s are 85. Okay, again you will be getting here 17 5s are 85, 15, like that whole will be repeated. So 1 upon 17 is equal to, आप लिख सकते हैं 0.588 235 29411 okay, 7647. Okay, whole this is repeated again, it will be repeating same. So how many digits, it is asked how many digits are repeated here, that we have to zero point 0.05. Here we will be getting, okay, 0.0588. This will be repeated. So it is asked how many digits are repeated here. So 16 digits. After this 16 digits, you will be getting the same digits. So number of digits after which digits repeated will be digits repeated is equal to 16. Okay, supposing 1 upon 17 is there. Okay, then you can write 7 in short form. 17 minus 1 is equal to 16. You will be getting here short form here. Number of digits is equal. Here it is asked, you have to represent the number of, you have to represent the long division also. What we have done. So if it is asked in short, we need not do, supposing in the objectives it is asked, we need not perform the division, just 17 minus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, so you will be getting, supposing 1 upon, here you will be getting this is, okay.